Assalamualaikum. My name is Mahin. My class student at Rehan School Foundation Level, Rehan School Online Academy Foundation Level 1 Batch 9. Today I am going to review a very inspiring TEDx talk called "How to Invest in Yourself" by Mina Tariq, presented at TEDx Islamabad. In this talk, Mina Tariq explains why investing in ourselves in is one of the most important investments and we can make in life. Her talk is especially connected with ideas, entrepreneurship, personal growth, and having the courage is to believe in our own potential. The main message is I understood from this talk is that investing in yourself does not only mean spending money on education and or buying something for yourself. It means investing your time, knowledge, skills, ideas, confidence, and abilities. We all have ideas, dreams and goals, but sometimes a fear stops us from taking the first step. We may think that our idea is not good enough, that we might fail, or that other people will not support us. Mina encourages us not to let fear stop up us from believe in an idea. One thing I really liked about the talk is the connection between fear and action. Having an idea is easy, but taking action on that idea requires study. Sometimes we wait for the perfect moment, perfect resources, or perfect confidence. But the reality is investing in yourself means giving yourself a chance to learn and try, fail, improve, and try again. Meena Tariq also connects this idea with entrepreneurship. If her professional work has involved supporting entrepreneurs and encouraging entrepreneurial mindsets. So her message comes from experience in the startup and entrepreneurship ecosystem. Another important lesson from this talk is that our ideas have value. We should not immediately reject an idea just because it seems difficult or because we are afraid of failure. Instead, we should explore it, learn more about it, discuss it with others, and see where it can take us. Sometimes a small idea can and become something meaningful if we are willing to invest our effort and time into it. For me, this talk is not only about business or entrepreneurship. I think it is also useful for students. As students, we can invest in ourselves by learning new skills, improving in our communication, reading books, asking questions, trying new activities, and developing in our confidence. Even learning something small every day can become a valuable and investments in our future. Another lesson I learned that is that failure should not be considered that the opposite of success. When we try something new, we may make mistakes, but those mistakes can teach us that we need to improve. If we never try because we are afraid of failure, we may never discover what we are capable of achieving. I also found the idea of believing in yourself very powerful. Sometimes other people may not understand and our ideas in the beginning. That that does not automatically mean that our ideas are bad. We should listen to useful feedback, improve and ideas and continue learning. At the same time, we need enough self-belief if to keep moving forward. That also made me think about how we use our time. Every day we spend time on different activities, but not everything contributes to our growth. Investing in yourself means choosing activities that make you better, smarter, and confident and more capable. It could be learning a skill, working on a project, meeting people who inspire you, or simply spending time thinking about your goals. In my opinion, one of the strongest lessons from Mina Tariq is that we ourselves are an important asset. We often think about investing money in business, technology, or other things, but we sometimes forget to invest in our own abilities. If we improve Of ourselves or our knowledge and skills can create opportunities is for us in the future. This direct talk also encourages us to move from thinking to doing. We can have hundreds of ideas, but an idea becomes meaningful when we when we take action. We don't know we do not need to know everything before or starting. We can start small, learn along the way, and improve our work step by step. Overall, I found on how to invest yourself and inspiring and practical. Direct talk Mina Tariq's message reminds us that our growth depends on the choice we make every day. We should not allow fear, self doubt, or the fear of failure to completely control our decisions, and instead we would believe in our potential, develop our skills, explore our ideas, and action. In the end, I would like to say that the best investment we can make is an investment in ourselves. The money can be lost, things are disappear, and but the knowledge, skills, confidence, and experience we gain and stay with us. So instead of waiting for the perfect right opportunity, we should start building ourselves today. Believe in your ideas, as learn from your mistakes, and never be afraid to talk the first step. Thank you for watching in TEDx Talk Review. Allah Hafiz.